Over the last couple of weeks, loads of workshops have come in about printing t-shirts and jewellery. I learned how to make a bracelet out of like wire and this little ring, and I learned how to put ink on a t-shirt and like design it however you want and stuff like that. If I was to become an apprentice, I'd probably do like something to do with fashion and makeup and stuff like that, because I always do my makeup. And like ever since I was younger, I always draw dresses and skirts and outfits and stuff I create, and they're really weird, but I like them for some reason.
I've learned how to create my own t-shirt. I've learned how to do your own videos with another group. My favourite part was me learning how to do good photos and know what lighting and know how to create your own t-shirts. If I was going to be an apprentice, I would like to work at The Venture, because here like you can play with children, you can run around with children, and it's an open area.
Yes, I'll definitely consider doing an apprenticeship one day. I've learned that you can get paid for going somewhere that you like. If I were to become an apprentice, I'd like to work in a hair salon or a bakery, because I enjoy doing hair, because you can make someone else happy while doing something else that you enjoy as well. And the same with baking, because you can obviously make someone else happy. Like you could make someone's like 18th birthday cake or something, one that they'll remember.